A fantastic afternoon to all of you ladies and gentlemen. Mabuhay and welcome here in the beautiful venue of the Chandelier Events Place. And we are gathered here today for the wedding celebration of Glidel and Mark Terence Garcia. Halina at simulan po natin ang pagdiriwang natin ito ng puno ng galak at saya. Kaya naman po all together, can we make some noise? Mas may ilalakas pa po yan. Parinig muli ng inyong malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan! That's better. Maraming salamat po. By the way, allow me to introduce myself. I am your fantastic and one of the most trusted singing hosts all the way from Taguig City, Metro Manila. My name is F.A. Dizon and I will be your host for this amazing celebration today. We are very happy to see you all. To the rest of the family, friends, relatives, and colleagues of our couple, thank you so much for your presence. And for those guests who traveled from distant and miles, sa mga bumiyahe pa po mula sa malalayong lugar just to be part of the celebration, maraming salamat po. Palakpakan niyo naman po ang bawat isa, ladies and gents, for that effort. We appreciate that. Thank you so much.